Hi, today I'm for the Cat S75 and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display option on this device. So first we should open the MuvizEdge application and let's try another thumb. Tap to apply. Here we could change the background of the stem, so just to change them we should swipe to the up or to the down. Tap to apply them. Also, we could hide music control after 10 seconds and never. We could change the time. So to do that, we should slide to the left or to the right side this white dot to show the calendar date. We should use the switcher off. To turn it off, we should also use the switcher. Click to the battery and to show battery status always while charging or never. We should select one from these available options. Click to go back, tap to X icon, switch AOD to the settings, tap to Always On Display. Here we got show on screen lock section. Always while charging on music, we could use this option separately. If you want to decrease and increase brightness level, you should slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. Here we got the AOD timeout section, so we could switch timeout from 5 seconds to never, to switch also low power after time, to change the screen orientation, to close it with a double or single tap, to close it with the fingerprint if you use fingerprint unlock method, to close it on screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, to use it in a pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize the option on our Cat S75. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.